Hello, welcome to another tutorial video of Matrix Code and Kiamond. This video is about spiral pendant. If you want to model a spiral pendant on a sphere, you should know about some tricks. So let's go to learn it. First of all, I create a sphere by radius 10 mm. Rotate the sphere to move the seam. After that, use a line on both sides by 1 mm. Then select the curve, transform menu and array polar. You can use your dimension. It's my dimension. Okay, array 34. It's enough for this dimension. And you should make this intersection. Now select all lines and intersection command to create points on intersections. Very good. Select all points and put them on another layer and hide them. Select lines and do boolean curve on all to make the circle with lines. Great. Then connect the points by line. Use spiral on vertical. Turn 1 and do like the movie. First mid and second mid. After that first end and second end. You can see the spiral is creating. Perfect. Hide extras. Select curves and join. Then rebuild by many points. Edit scale to make the shape ellipse. Good. Check the dimension. Perfect. Select the curve and profile placer. Use a single curve profile. If you don't know how to create a single profile, so watch the video that's pinned on top of the screen. Adjust the profile on top and bottom. Then sweep 1. Perfect. Select the profile end cap. Also, you can check the weight. Hide the surface isocurves in object properties. Then use extract isocurve on mid, then gem on curve and adjust it. Note that because of the number of gems, file will be too heavy, so be patient. After that, primes. Use the base surface to make bale holder. Before splits, it's better to have a copy of base surface. To create the bail, if you have matrix gold, use this command and adjust it, and if you don't have, use the video that pinned on top. Everything looks good. Thanks for watching and write your opinion in comment. Thank you.